वबरकातुहू। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलाम अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद। Respected chief guest, guest of honor, manager, principal, teachers, audience, dear brothers. As we know, together here to celebrating 77 years of an independence. I extend my heartiest congratulations to everyone present here. And उर्दू poet said, मेरी मासूम सूरत कहाँ खो गई, मेरी मासूम सूरत कहाँ खो गई, प्यार उल्फत मोहब्बत कहाँ खो गई, मेरी धरती लहू में है डूबी हुई, मेरी धरती लहू में है डूबी हुई, भाईचारा की मूरत कहाँ खो गई। Today we are celebrating our Independence Day with great pleasure. 15th August has an important place in the history of India. Many years ago, we were slaves under foreign ruler called Britishers. They were very cruel, they were very tyrant, they crushed and looted India and Indians very harshly. They ruled over India all about 200 years. After a long struggle, our freedom fighters got their freedom on 15th August 1947. During this freedom struggle, thousands of people were killed and millions of people were sent to jail. But some communal forces are trying to uproot the peace and harmony among the people of India. As Urdu poet said beautifully, अज़्म सबने किया जा लुटाएंगे हम, अज़्म सबने किया जा लुटाएंगे हम, मुल्क को हर बला से बचाएंगे हम। एकता की वो गैरत कहाँ खो गई, एकता की वो गैरत कहाँ खो गई, भाईचारा की मूरत कहाँ खो गई। So today, on the occasion of Independence Day, let's make a promise ourselves that we will always protect our country and countrymen by maintaining brotherhood, helping everyone, and